Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So I'm coming along with the Für Elektra digital from Sandy Decorate Your Life. I will link her store down on the description below, as well as her YouTube channel and all the other amazing design creators that participated in this giveaway. You guys go check them out. You guys, they have amazing creations. OMG, go over to support them, you guys. So again, this is the Für Elektra digital, and this is what I ended up creating, if you guys can remember. And I did hide this right here, so yay, I finally put something on here. And of course it was using the digital, and look at how cute is that. It looks like actual material, you guys. There you go. And of course I will link the affiliate link down, so if you guys are interested in going over, checking it out, go over and support us. And of course the affiliate link only helps with for me to earn a small commission. There you go. And it is at no additional cost to you. Okay, and just helps to help with the giveaways, is like this one. Of course you guys know I'm giving this one away, but let me go ahead and tell you who the winner is for the digital. Of course it is a digital, it is not a physical item. So my winner for this one is Krafts, you guys. So she actually just got her own printer, so you are gonna have so much fun, Reina, with this. Oh, you are. So anyways, and who won this amazing cute creations that I created? Oh my goodness, hold on, you guys, I have the other person here. Okay, there you go. So make sure you guys email me. Oh my goodness, let me try. I'm trying to open it, so I don't know if you guys could see. So Kathleen, make sure you email me with your address so I can send you this. This is a physical item that I will be sending you. Thank you everybody for coming along, participating, and thank you for all your nice comments. You know, thank you all for your support. And again, I will link Sandy's Decorate Your Life store and YouTube channel, as well as her Facebook group and all the other amazing design creators here. Again, thank you again. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.